Okay, hi Howard. This is going to be section 2 of the mill, the sawmill.
Section 2.
Yeah,
What's section 1?
section 1 was just showing it in
Oh,
its
okay.
work in progress, and
Well,
now
it's
that
finished now.
it's finished. So let's take a look here. Oh my goodness gracious, we have the roof off.
This is O-scale. It's actually going on an ON30 Bachman type layout.
Oh my goodness gracious.
So I built it very low for that reason, because the cars are lower.
Mm-hmm.
But it's still quarter inch to the foot, or the 1 to 48.
Oh, it's absolutely spectacular. The people are very. What kind of figures are these?
Those are made by artistas. I think they're in Delaware. They're expensive as hell, but they're about $8 or $9 a piece. But they're certainly worth it. Beautiful. And what I do is, to get them to look realistic, I hit them with a wash of ink and alcohol.
Mm-hmm. Oh, goodness gracious. Let me pause this here. Howard, tell us how you made the overhead belts for the overhead pulleys.
Oh, just a strip of styrene, like this here. Just bend it and glue it at the top. You're not going to see it.
Mm-hmm.
You can use you can use paper or whatever, but this styrene looks very good. It's simple to glue. It's simple to work with. Yeah. It's 164 styrene.
Saw blades and everything. It's just take
saw blades. I had those for years, so I just went into my stock.
All right, let me pause it and we'll get another angle.
See,
I'll get a different side here, Howard, in the inside. Oh, look down on the building from the top.
Are you too close?
No, I've got a good view of the interior here. Let's swing around from the top, give it a top view.
Yeah, absolutely. We went to get a Christmas tree the other day and some chopped up discarded logs, pine logs.
Oh, they look great.
So I just grabbed them and cut them up with my sawzall. You can't use coal. I mean, obviously, the sawmill, they would use wood to fire the furnace, not coal.
Yeah, that's an interesting furnace. It's notched at the top, folks, for the angle of the roof. So once the roof's back on it, you don't see that. But I like the stack of lumber getting ready to go into the furnace. And those are the logs you got when you got the Christmas tree.
Yeah. This discarded crap that I got to hell with the Christmas tree guy.
Howard, tell me about the design. Now, what did you do to design this?
Nothing. Absolutely flat zero. I just make it up. I start with, I figured I wanted 2 roofs, one going this way, one going that way.
Mm-hmm.
So then I just built the structure for it. That's simple. And I wanted an office, so I built the office, put it up on sticks or stilts. Then I built the open part.
Did you
sold it in with machinery.
Did you sketch it on paper first? Do you have any sketches or anything?
Yeah, I did actually. Just rough. See the trash. So yeah, here. But it's like a 1-minute sketch.
Right.
Or maybe 2 minutes tops.
Right. So you kind of in your mind came up with this.
Yeah, that's pretty much I knew what I wanted. But
wow.
I refined that afterwards. It's not a. Now working on this will be a new oval structure we're gonna work on. This will be an HO factory type thing.
This is going to be spectacular, folks.
Yeah, that's about a 5-minute sketch.
Holy cow! It would take me an hour to try to sketch this.
Well, I had background in industrial design. I have a degree in industrial design, and I studied architecture, so it's pretty easy for me.
Here we see all the wood piles. I wish just a very generous supply of everything a man would need to make an incredible model at his fingertips.
I've got enough stuff here in the shop for the last several lifetimes.
All right. All right, now we're going to put the roof back on it, folks, so you can watch.
It's pretty simple. That's all there is to it.
Absolutely gorgeous. Well, let me just rotate
this.
This
is going out to Delaware to a customer.
Client in Delaware. Folks, if you want one of these custom built, contact us. alpug1@verizon.net. Contact us. We'd be more than happy to build one for you.
Or anything, actually.
Anything.
Well, now the other thing you got to remember, Al, who's the running this video, is every bit as good as me, if not better. He's younger. I forget stuff.
I don't. I'm not as nobody's as good as you, Howard.
But shit.
We're learning. Howard, thanks for showing us this today.
You're quite welcome.